Ever stared at a successful online store and wondered how they managed to offer such a diverse range of products without being buried in inventory? Have you dreamt of starting your own e-commerce empire but felt overwhelmed by the logistics of sourcing and shipping? If you've nodded along to either of those questions, then you're in exactly the right place. The world of e-commerce has exploded, offering incredible opportunities for entrepreneurs. But let's be honest, the traditional model of buying bulk inventory, managing warehouses, and handling shipping can be a major hurdle, especially when you're just starting out or want to test new product ideas without significant risk. That's where dropshipping comes in, and within the realm of dropshipping, one name has consistently stood out as a game-changer for Shopify users: Oberlo. Now, while Oberlo as a standalone app is no longer available, its legacy and the core principles it championed live on through other fantastic dropshipping solutions integrated within the Shopify ecosystem. Think of it this way. Imagine having a vast virtual warehouse at your fingertips, filled with products across countless niches. Instead of buying and storing these items yourself, you only pay for them when a customer places an order on your Shopify store. The supplier then ships the product directly to your customer. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not exactly magic, but it's pretty close, and it's powered by the dropshipping model. Oberlo, in its prime, was the go-to app that seamlessly connected Shopify store owners with suppliers, primarily on AliExpress. It simplified the entire process of finding products, importing them to your store with a few clicks, and automating the order fulfillment process. While the original Oberlo app has transitioned, the fundamental need it addressed, a streamlined way to run a dropshipping business on Shopify, remains crucial. So, while we can't walk you through the exact Oberlo interface anymore, the principles and the workflow it established are still highly relevant and are mirrored in many of the excellent dropshipping apps available on the Shopify App Store today. We're going to explore how you can achieve the same powerful results using the current landscape of Shopify dropshipping tools. The core steps involved in leveraging a dropshipping model with your Shopify store, inspired by the ease of use that Oberlo once offered, generally look like this. First, you need a Shopify store. If you haven't already set one up, head over to Shopify and get started with a free trial. This is your online storefront, your digital real estate where you'll showcase and sell your products. Take the time to design it, make it look professional, and ensure it reflects your brand. Once your store is up and running, the next crucial step is finding a reliable dropshipping app from the Shopify App Store. Search for terms like dropshipping, AliExpress dropshipping, or explore apps that integrate with other supplier marketplaces. Popular alternatives often offer similar functionalities to what Oberlo provided, such as product sourcing, one-click import, and order automation. After installing your chosen app, you'll need to connect it to your Shopify store. This usually involves a straightforward authorization process. Once connected, you can start exploring the vast catalogs of products available through the app's integrated supplier network. This is where the fun begins: product research. Just like with Oberlo, you'll want to carefully select products that align with your niche, have good potential for profit, and ideally have positive reviews and reliable suppliers. Look for products with clear descriptions, high-quality images, and reasonable shipping times. Once you've found products you want to sell, the app will typically allow you to import them directly into your Shopify store. This usually includes product titles, descriptions, images, and even pricing information, which you can then customize to fit your brand and pricing strategy. Remember to write compelling product descriptions that highlight the benefits and features for your customers. Now, let's talk about the crucial part. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, your chosen dropshipping app should automate the process of sending that order information to the supplier. The supplier then packages and ships the product directly to your customer. You, as the store owner, handle customer service and ensure a smooth buying experience. One of the key benefits of this model, just like with Oberlo, is that you don't have to worry about managing inventory or the complexities of shipping logistics. Your focus can be on marketing your store, providing excellent customer support, and continuously analyzing your product performance to identify new opportunities. It's important to remember that while dropshipping simplifies many aspects of running an online store, it's not without its challenges. You'll need to be diligent in selecting reliable suppliers, monitoring product quality, and ensuring timely shipping. Customer service is paramount, as you are the main point of contact for your customers, even though you're not directly handling the products. Furthermore, pay close attention to pricing. While you don't have upfront inventory costs, you need to factor in the supplier's cost, shipping fees, and your desired profit margin to set competitive yet profitable prices for your products. The spirit of Oberlo, its user-friendliness and its ability to empower individuals to start and run e-commerce businesses without the traditional overhead, lives on in the current ecosystem of Shopify dropshipping apps. By understanding the core principles of product sourcing, importing, and automated order fulfillment, you can effectively leverage these tools to build your own successful online store. So, while the specific interface of Oberlo might be a thing of the past, the dream of a streamlined dropshipping experience on Shopify is very much alive. Explore the Shopify App Store, find the app that best suits your needs, and start building your e-commerce vision today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.